This video is going to describe the frequency function. This function is a statistical function, and it's going to determine the number or frequency of a distribution within a data set. For example, we had determined these numbers based on the quartile. So here's the top salary number in the first quarter of the data set. Here's the top number of top salary in the second quarter of the data set. And here's the top salary in the third quarter of the data set. Using the frequency, we want to determine how many salaries data are contained in the first data set, how many are contained in the second, and how many are contained in the third. Now the frequency function works a little differently in that you don't simply just type and hit enter. You actually have to type in the frequency, and then when you're ready to finish it, you have to hold Control, Shift, and enter. So you begin by selecting the cells that you want the frequency to be calculated in. And we'll begin by typing frequency. And the first argument is the data array, which is our salary range. Our second argument is our bin arrange, which is the item of how we want to determine. We close with a parentheses, and then to enter the frequency, you hold Control, Shift, and enter. Now let's take a look at our answers. So in our first quarter, our high salary is $47,148, which means that there are 3 salaries within that range. So I'll go ahead and highlight those. So you can see those, So you can see that's the 3 salaries in the first quarter. The second quarter's salary high range is $49,575, and there are 4. So we're going to pick the next 4. The third quarter's highest salary is $68,125, so there are 3. That's the frequency function. Let you see the function.